If you would like to see how I went from this eye to this eye, then stay tuned.
She like my drop. Said she like my drop. Shorty said she like my drop. Said she like my drop. Tell me where you wanna go. We can take a trip. Baby, tell me.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Right now we are just jumping right into this tutorial. This is going to be a shimmery gold eye that we're going to be doing. For now we're just taking that dark brown and popping it right into this crease, and we're smoking out that eye socket. We're going to be going in next with two different lighter brown with a red undertone, and we're going to be applying those. And then next we're going to be applying these fluffy lashes we ordered from AliExpress. I'm going to be using the Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive glue in the color black, and we're going to be using that to pop these fluffy flirty lashes on. Just going across the lash bed, making sure everything is secure from end to end. Giving a good press and hold to make sure everything is locked into place, and using those tweezers to go along your lash line to press your hairs into the falsies. And I like to just use the back of that tweezers to press my eyelashes into the falsies as well. Alright, moving right along, we're going to the bottom of the eye. I'm just going to smoke the bottom eye out. And we did this whole look using that 35R palette, Morphe palette. Now we're going into this Revlon Photo Eye Art glitter in the color gold. Just popping that right on the waterline. And we're going to clean up the outer edges of this video. The video did not capture me doing the winged eyeliner, but as you can see, the winged eyeliner is there, so we are just cleaning that outside edge of the line up. And we're going to use the rest of that concealer to put under our eyes to cover up any dark circles or bags we may have underneath. Just dragging that product down. And we're just going to be going in next with our foundation. And we'll be using the color 355 Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, because I am very oily. Your girl will be definitely using a matte product. And we're just going to seal it in with that concealer. The concealer color is the LA Girl Pro Concealer that is in the color Warm Honey that I'm applying right now under my eye. And so we are moving right along to the face. This is the LA Girl Fit Me Foundation in the color 355. Applying a couple drops to the back of my hand and using this nice fluffy foundation brush to move the product around. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, so I'm not applying a whole lot because I don't want to look cakey. So I'm just applying a nice coverage to the whole face. Making sure I blend that concealer out. And I'm going in to set all the concealed areas with this black opal loose setting powder. This is in the color 400 medium. And we're just applying that down our T-zone, all of our high areas, all of our highlighted areas, under the eye, down the bridge of the nose, over top of the lip, the chin, and chiseling out underneath the high cheekbones. And I do this, to combat any kind of oils I may have that's trying to creep through my foundation later on. I will set that with powder. This is an easy breezy look. Anyone can try it. Now we're going into our contouring stage. We're using this Ruby Kiss compact press powder, and it's in the color Ebony. And we're using that to chisel out these cheekbones, slim down the nose. So we're going on both sides of the nose, cheekbones. I like to, of course, do my ventriloquist chin. and then I'll chisel out the jawline. And don't forget that forehead. Yes, I look beautiful already, even just with the powder sitting on my face. You can definitely see a lot of dimension and structure that's coming back to life as this video is going forward. Hopefully you girls are feeling this look. This is a very nice glittery look. I do have a silver glitter in the tear ducts, and I have a gold glitter right next to that, and then I did have a bronzy copper shade that's on the end, and then I smoked the outer edges out with a dark brown. Not just dusting that powder away because I do not like to bake for a long time, because I try not to have that ashy cast all over my face from the powder. So you want to dust as much of that away as possible. Alright, so to combat any powders that I may have left over, I'm going in with this Spritz setting powder. And I'm just spritzing my whole face to make sure I get all the powder off and set everything and lock it in place. Now we're going in with our blush, just to bring some more life back to our face. We don't want to look like the Walking Dead walking around. So you want to add more life back to the face, so we're just popping that onto our cheeks. Going in with this new highlighter that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. Just add more shine to the cheeks. Just popping that right around the high cheekbone and over top the eyebrows. Also, you don't want to forget about that button nose and down the bridge of the nose. More on the opposite cheek. Right on that Cupid's bow. And don't forget the forehead. Yes, let's glow, girls. You better glow, girl. All right, moving right along, honey. We're going right into our lips. Just using this standard brown pencil. We're just gonna tight line the lips with the brown lip liner pencil. I'm gonna go in with this burgundy shade of matte lipstick, and we're going to use that on the outer perimeter of our lips, and then we're going to go in with this nude shade and pop that into the center of the lips, creating an ombre effect. You can just leave it like this if you like, but I like to ombre my lip using a two-toned shade. So I want it darker around the outer perimeter and light in the center, which is why I'm ombreing. And also I like my lips to shine just a little bit, so I'm going to go in with a gloss. I guess before I go in with the gloss, I'm actually going to go around the perimeter of my lips and clean that up. And this is with the concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. Same color I use under the eye. I'm just going to tight line that lip line to make sure we don't have any bleeding of the lipstick later on. Making sure it just stays right on the center of our lips and not, you know, moving down on the chin or wherever. We're just going to lock everything in place. And there we go with the gloss. Because I am so extra and I love to have a glossy lip, we're just going to apply just a shimmer frost gloss over top of that nude shade and just patting everything together. So if you girls are feeling this look and you're liking what you see, give your girl a round of applause. Cheers for the girl. Yes. Thank you all for watching, liking, commenting. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be uploaded on videos that I may post in the future. And I thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial. Mwah! Love you.